Attorney General is preparing to appeal a federal court ruling that says Texans who want to vote by mail to avoid coronavirus exposure can do so in upcoming elections during this pandemic. The Attorney General, Ken Paxton, says the ruling, quote, disregards well-established law and has expressed concerns over potential voter fraud. The judge's order says Paxton cited little or no evidence of that and added that mail-in voting was, quote, a process recently used by the President of the United States. Okay, joining us now is the Texas Attorney General, Ken Paxton. Attorney General Paxton, thanks for coming on. Let me start with the larger issue. You guys have a law that if you're 65 or older, that's enough of a reason to get a mail-in ballot. Obviously, this year, there are some people who believe that the virus itself is a health hazard for them, and they would like to have that as an ability to allow them also to have the same rights for a mail-in ballot as somebody who is 65 plus. Why are you fighting this?
So my job's really interesting. I used to be in the Texas legislature for 12 years, and I used to write laws. Now my job, I'm in a different branch of government. My job is to enforce the law. And so I don't get to change the law or make it the way I like it. And the law is very specific, and the legislature has confined mail-in voting to really people that find it more difficult to get to the election to vote. So I don't have the authority to change the law. My job is to enforce what the legislature has passed, and obviously these people are all elected.
It's my understanding that somebody can check disability on the application. And that disability could be the virus itself or fear of the virus. And I think you're arguing that that shouldn't be a reason to get a ballot, to get a mail-in ballot. But I guess my question is, how would you enforce it otherwise?
Yeah, so we have to trust voters to do the right thing. The law is pretty clear. It doesn't allow for people to get mail-in ballots for fear of contracting corona or anything else, or fear of being hit by a car on the way to vote. So we trust our voters to do the right thing. Obviously, if we find out somebody has voted by mail and they've done it fraudulently, my job, just like the Michigan Secretary of State talked about prosecuting voter fraud, my job is exactly the same.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.